Ever wonder about the wisdom of dragons? These mythical creatures, often associated with power, wisdom and spirituality? In the annals of human mythology, dragons stand out as symbols of profound mystery, strength and wisdom. From the powerful, benevolent dragons of the East to the fierce, treasure-guarding serpents of the West, these mythical beings have captivated our collective imaginations for centuries. Each culture perceives dragons through a unique lens, yet a common thread weaves through all. Dragons are seen as beings of immense wisdom and spiritual enlightenment. They are custodians of ancient knowledge, holding the keys to mysteries that lie beyond the grasp of mortal understanding. What if we could tap into this reservoir of wisdom? What if we could converse with these enigmatic beings and seek their guidance on our quest for self-discovery and enlightenment? The thought is as intriguing as it is inspiring. Imagine embarking on a spiritual journey with a dragon as your guide. Picture this: a dragon, ancient and wise, appears before you, offering to guide you on a journey of self-discovery. Imagine the dragon's scales shimmering with the wisdom of countless centuries, reflecting the light of truth and understanding. Its eyes, pools of profound knowledge, invite you to delve into the depths of your soul. This dragon, a symbol of strength and wisdom, extends its mighty claw, offering to lead you down the path of self-improvement and spiritual growth. Along this path you'll find trials and tribulations, joy and sorrow, courage and fear. But remember, every step, every stumble, every victory is part of the journey. A dragon's wisdom isn't found in the destination, but in the journey itself. It's not about the end, but the lessons learned along the way. The dragon, your guide, leads you into the unknown, promising wisdom and insight. As you journey with your dragon guide, you begin to uncover wisdom hidden within the folds of time and space. This wisdom isn't presented on a silver platter, rather it's a treasure, waiting patiently to be unearthed by those who dare to venture into the unknown. Imagine your dragon guide as a beacon of light, piercing through the darkness of ignorance and uncertainty. This light, this wisdom, illuminates the path, guiding you towards self-discovery and spiritual growth. It's an inner compass, perfectly attuned to the rhythm of your soul, always leading you towards your true north. The dragon, in its infinite wisdom, teaches you the art of balance, the delicate dance between strength and gentleness, courage and vulnerability, action and stillness. It's a dance we all must learn, a dance that shapes us into well-rounded beings, capable of standing tall in the face of adversity, yet humble enough to bow before the grandeur of life. The dragon's wisdom is a mirror, reflecting your truest self. It's a reminder that within you lies a reservoir of strength, a mountain of courage, and an ocean of love. It's a testament to your potential, a potential that is infinite, boundless, and untapped. This journey with the dragon is a journey within. It's an exploration of the self, a deep dive into the realm of your soul. It's a quest for truth, a search for meaning, a pursuit of purpose. It's a voyage that transcends the physical world, venturing into the spiritual, the metaphysical, the mystical. The dragon is a symbol of wisdom, but it's more than just a symbol. It's an embodiment of the wisdom that resides within us all. It's a manifestation of our inner strength, our inner courage, our inner love. It's a reflection of our true selves, a reflection that is as profound as it is enlightening. Through the dragon's wisdom, you find a deeper understanding of yourself and your place in the world. This wisdom doesn't provide all the answers, but it does provide the right questions. It doesn't tell you who you are, but it does help you discover who you could be. It doesn't define your path, but it does illuminate it. It's a wisdom that is as timeless as the dragons themselves and as transformative as the journey you're on. As your journey with the Dragon Guide concludes, you realize that it was never about the destination, but the wisdom gained along the way. In the grand tapestry of life, each thread is a lesson learned, a step taken, a choice made. The Dragon Guide, in all its ancient wisdom, has shown you the importance of these threads, these moments. It taught you how to weave them into a story of growth, resilience, and enlightenment. Every whisper of the wind, every rustle of the leaves, every flicker of the dragon's flame, they all carry a piece of wisdom. It's in these moments that you find a profound understanding of yourself and the world around you. You've discovered a wellspring of courage within, a strength that only comes from the trials and tribulations of the journey. And so, you return from your journey, forever changed by the wisdom of the dragon. Do you believe in dragons? For more dragon fun, see the description box.